Class 10th Real Numbers. Case study based questions, part 2. Question number 4. Shalvi wants to organize her birthday party. She was happy on her birthday. She is very health conscious. Thus, she decided to serve fruits only. She has 36 apples and 60 bananas at home and decided to serve them. She wants to distribute fruits among guests. She does not want to discriminate among guests, so she decided to distribute equally among all. See here. First, let me write down the given information. So, apples are 36. Okay, here. Then bananas, I'll write down B for banana. Bananas are 60. Here. And she wants to distribute these fruits equally among the guests. Now, look at the first question. How many maximum guests shall we can invite? So, maximum number of guests they are saying. So that I'll find out the prime factors first. 36. 9 fours are. So, 4 means 2 square. And 9 means 3 square. 60 means 10. 6 are 60. So, 10 and 6. So, here 6 means 2 into 3. 10 means 5 into 2. So, here 2 square I will write down. So, these are the prime factors. Okay. Now, she's saying how many maximum number of guests. So, if I go for LCM, so number will be big, right? So, those many fruits we don't have. So, we have to find out what? HCF. So, here HCF of these two numbers. See here 2 square and 2 square is common. So, once I will write down 2 square. 3 square and 3. These two factors are common. But out of these two factors, who is having the least exponent? 3. So, the answer is 4 3s are 12. So, with these many fruits, she can invite only 12 guests. Okay. So, option A is the correct one. Come to the second question. How many apples and bananas will each guest get? So, here she has 36 apples. And how many guests are there? 12. So, every guest will get 12 threes are 3 apples. Okay. Now, 60 bananas are there and 12 guests. So, 12 5s are 60. So, 5 bananas. Here, bananas. Okay. So, which option is the correct one? 3 apples and 5 bananas. Option A is correct. So, each guest will get 3 apples and 5 bananas. Right? Come to the next one here. Shall we decide to add 42 mangoes also? So, already apples are 36. This one, bananas. Bananas are 60. And now mangoes she has added, they are 42. Okay. So, once again, we need to write down the prime factors. So, here 2 square into 3 square. For 60, 2 square into 3 into 5. And 42, 6 7s are. 6 means 2 into 3 into 7. These are the prime factors. Now, in this case, how many maximum guests shall we can invite? Now, once again, we have to find out HCF of these three numbers. Okay. So, here 2 square and 2. Out of these common factors, who is having the least exponent? 2 into. Now, 3 is also common here. 3 square, 3 and 3. Who is having the least exponent? 3. So, in this case, she can only invite 6 guests. So, option C is the correct one. Okay. Now, how many total fruits will each guest get? Now, see, 36 apples and only 6 guests. So, 6 6 are 6, 36. Okay. So, 6 apples, then 60 by 6, which is equal to 10 bananas, right? Then 42 by 6, that means 7 mangoes. Correct. So, which option is the correct one? 6 apples, 10 bananas and 7 mangoes. So, option B is the correct one. Right? Come to the next one. If shall we decide to add 3 mangoes, So mangoes will become now 42 and 3 is 45. And instead of 6 apples, okay, instead of 6 apples, so 36 apples were there. Now only 30 apples will be there. Okay. Now bananas are as it is, which are 60. And now they are asking, in this case, how many maximum guests shall we can invite? Once again, 30. Prime factors of 30 are 10 threes are. So 10 threes are. 10 means 5 into 2 into 3. 60 means 2 square into 3 into 5. 45 means 9 fives are. 9 means 3 square into 5. To get HCF, see here. Is 2 common everywhere? No. So 2 we are not going to count. 3, 3 and 3 square. Who is having the list exponent? 3. Now here 5, 5 and 5. So alone 5 is there. So 5. So here 15. So in this situation, C will be able to invite 15 guests. Correct? Come to the next question. Amar, Akbar and Anthony are playing a game. Now try to understand this one. Very beautiful question. Amar, Akbar and Anthony are playing a game. Amar climbs 5 stairs and gets down 2 in one turn. Akbar goes up, how many stairs here? Let me just check. 7 by 7 stairs and comes down by 2 stairs every time. Anthony goes 10 stairs up and 3 stairs down each time. Doing this, they have to reach to the nearest point of 100th stair. And they will stop once they find it is impossible to go forward. Correct? Now see, first question you see. You just have to go near to 100th step. Okay? Just imagine there are only 100 steps are there in the staircase. Now more are not there, so you cannot go ahead of that. Okay, fine. So they are asking us who reaches the nearest point. Who is reaching the nearest point? So let me write down here Amar. This is Amar here. Amar. This is Akbar here. And this is Anthony here. So Amar goes 5 steps up and 2 steps down. That means in one go he is going 3 steps up. Okay. Akbar is going 7 steps up and coming down 2 steps. That means in one go 5 steps he is going up. Anthony is going 10 steps up and coming down 3 steps. It means that 7 steps he is going up. Correct. Now who will reach near 100th step? That we need to find out. Now till 90, see, till 90 by 3 steps, okay, Amar will go, then plus. So when he will be at 90th step, he will go 5 steps ahead, he will come down 2 steps. Correct? So how many now? 93. Once again, he will go 5 steps ahead and come down 2 steps. It means that he will be at 96. Now you think now, will he go ahead 5 steps? Is that possible? If he will try to go 5 steps ahead here, so it will become 101, which is not possible because we just have 100 steps. We don't have more than 100. So he will stop at 96th step. Here he will stop. Correct? Now come to this one here. Here you come. Till 90 he will go because 5 steps. Na? Till 90 he will go. Plus 7 when he will be at 90th step. Then once again he will go 7 steps ahead and he will come down 2 steps. Now he will be at 95. Now at 95th step he is standing over there. Will he be able to go 7 steps ahead? No, he can't because it will become 102 and we have just 100 steps. So he will stand at 95th step. Okay, come to the third one here. Now here till 90, fine, he will go. plus 7. He will go and come down by 3. Now here 90, what is that? 10 and 3. Oh, sorry, not 7. It is 10. 90 till 90. Oh, that is also wrong. 7 na, by 7. So he will go till 91. 7 steps he is going ahead. So till 91 he will go because 13 sevens are 91. Plus, will he be able to go 10 steps ahead? If he will try to go 10 steps ahead, what is happening here? 101 step will come, which is not present. So he can't go ahead. So that's the reason he will stand at 91st step. Now you tell, out of these 3, who is near to 100? Amar is near to 100. Correct? So our answer is supposed to be Amar, who reaches the nearest point. So Amar will reach to the nearest point. They are not saying exactly on 100. They are saying near to 100. Okay? So here Amar will reach. Come to the second question. Now in the second question, what they are asking, how many times can they meet in between on the same step? Now for Amar was going 3 steps ahead. This Akbar was going 5 steps and Anthony was going 7 steps. Now once again you see, how many times can they meet in between on the same step? Now here, for this one, I have to find out LCM of these 3 numbers. Correct? So LCM of 3, 5 and 7. If I will find out LCM of these 3 numbers, all the 3 numbers are prime. That means I have to multiply all these 3 numbers. Now 15 into 7, which comes as 105. Now they will meet at 105 step. But we don't have 105 steps. We just have 100 steps. Correct? So here option D is the correct one. No, they cannot meet in between on same step. They will not be able to. Come to the next one now. Who takes least number of steps to reach near 100? Now Amar took 96 steps. Akbar has taken, I think so, 95 steps. Then this boy, Anthony, has taken 91 steps. Correct? But here for Amar, he was taking 3 steps ahead. So I will divide it by 3. Now Akbar was taking 5 steps ahead. So I will divide by 5. And this one was taking 7 steps ahead in one go. So I will divide by 7. So here 3 ones are, 3 threes are, and 3 twos are. Here 5 ones are and 5 nines are. Here 7 ones are and 7 13s are. See, that means he has to do 32 times, here 19 times, and here 13 times to reach near 100. So who is having the least number of steps? Anthony. So our option C is the correct one. Come to the fourth question. What is the first stair where any 2 out of 3 will meet together? See, any 2 out of 3 will meet together. So we'll do LCM of Amar and Akbar. So 3 and 5. So LCM comes as 15. So LCM of Akbar and Anthony. So which comes as 35. And LCM of first one, that means Amar, and last one is Anthony. Amar is what? 3 steps. So here let me write down 3 and 7, 21. See, so on 15th step, Amar and Anthony will meet. Correct? Because these are less number of steps. So here Amar and, sorry, not Anthony, Akbar. Amar and Akbar will meet for the first time after 15 steps. So option A is the correct one. Let us see the second one. What is the second stair where any 2 out of 3 will meet together? Very simple. Second time these 2 will meet. First one and the third one. That means Amar and Anthony will meet after 21 steps. Amar and Anthony, that means option C is the correct one. Right? Come to the next question now. Question number 6. Ashish supplies bread and jam to a hospital and a school. Bread and jam are supplied in equal number of pieces. Bread comes in a bunch of 8 pieces and jam comes in a pack of 6 pieces. On a particular day, Ashish has supplied X packets of bread and Y packets of jam to the school. So here imagine, this is school here. Here X packets of bread and Y packets of jam he has provided to the school. And what they said here, in one packet of bread 8 pieces are there, and in jam there are 6 pieces, okay, in one packet. Ashish has supplied 3x packets of bread along with sufficient packets of jam to the hospital. So this is hospital. Here 3x packets of bread he has supplied and sufficient number of jam packets he has supplied to the hospital. Okay, this information they have given us. Now, it is known that the number of students in the school are between 500 to 550. So they have given us number of students are between this one. They have not given us the exact number. So we need to find out that one. Now try to understand. They are supplying equal pieces, equal number of pieces of bread and jam to the school. Correct? This is the different one. And equal number of pieces to the hospital. Correct? Of bread and jam. These are two different things. Okay. Now, we have in one packet of bread there are 8 pieces and in one packet of jam there are 6 pieces. So what we'll do? We'll find out the LCM. So 8 means 2 cube and 6 means 2 into 3. So LCM of these two numbers, which is equal to, see, 2 cube and 2. Who is having the highest power? 2 cube. And this is 3. So 8 3s are 24. 24 is the LCM. So number of students will be definitely in the multiple of 24. Okay. So what I will do here, 24 into, suppose I do 20. So I get 480. So 480 students are not there. So what I will do, I will add 24 into this one. So what, 504. Yes, 504 option is there. So there is a possibility of the another number also. 504 plus 24, if I do, I get 528. Possible now, because 528, this number is also between 500 to 550. But this option is not there, so it is getting cancelled. The next one, if I try to add 24, it will go above 550. So that one will not be applicable. So our answer is 504 students are there in the school. Okay, so option B is the correct one. Come to the second question. How many packets of bread are supplied in the school? Now in the school it is confirmed that 504 students are there and in one packet of bread 8 pieces are there. So how many packets we are supplying to the school? So here 8 ones are 8 6 are 48. So 2 is remainder, 8 3s are, that means we are supplying 63 packets of bread. Next one. How many packets of jam are supplied in the school? In the school 504 students are there and in one packet of jam there are 6 pieces. So I will divide this number by 6. So here 6 ones are 6 8s are 48 and here 6 this one 4s are 24. So here 84 packets of jam will be provided. So option D is the correct one. Come to the next question. How many packets of bread are supplied in the hospital? In the hospital they said 3x packets. Okay, so 3. So just now we got the number x, which is 63. Correct? So here 189 packets of breads will be supplied in the hospital. Okay. Now come to the fifth question. How many packets of jams are supplied in the hospital? Now see, try to understand. Here 189 packets of breads. In one packet of bread, how many pieces are there? 8 pieces. If I multiply this number, I get 1512. That means these many pieces of bread we are supplying to the hospital. Remember, these many pieces of jams also we are going to supply, because same number of bread pieces and jam pieces we are supplying to the hospital. Okay, so these many pieces are there of bread and these many pieces will be for jam also. So how many packets of jam we are supplying? So we'll divide this number by 6 and let us see what happens. 6 ones are 6 twos are 12, 3 6 fives are 30, 6 twos are 252. So 252 packets of jams we are going to provide to the hospital, right? So option B is the correct one. Correct?